Hello, hi, good evening. So I'm back again with a new video. As I have promised you, I'm going to make a video about my education and how I ended up getting into a finance sector in Berlin. As my background was purely science and I also worked as an HR. I have shared a very small video on my Instagram and I promise that I'm going to make a video on it, that how I ended up getting into a finance sector. I'm just a little bit delayed because I think I shared that video before 2 weeks and I was just a little bit busy with the language and work and everything. So I apologize for that. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's begin. First, I'll introduce myself. My name is Amisha and I'm doing my master's here in Berlin and I'm from India, Nagpur, Maharashtra. So yeah, let's begin from the starting. I did my 10th from CBSE board. After doing my 10th, I did 11th and 12th from state board and I did 11th and 12th in science stream. After that, after completing my 12th standard, I did my bachelor's in plain science, PCM, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So it was just a bachelor of science in mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So I passed my 12th standard in 2018, and after that, I did admission for bachelor's, and it was a distance learning. So it was a government college, and I didn't used to go to college. I only used to go for exams and everything. So in 2018, I did admission over there, and simultaneously at the same time, I was taking training for the crew. So I always wanted to be a crew. It was just in my mind that I want to fly and I want to be an air hostess. So same time, 2018 to 2019, I was at the end of 2018. I went to Delhi after my exams of first year because my college started in 2018 August and the first exam was in December. Yeah, after giving my exams, I went to Delhi to complete my course for crew, cabin crew. So 6 month I did my training and 6 month I worked as a crew. After that, and because of that, I was not able to, like, I had to take a gap for my second year. So I only did my first years of bachelor 2018 to 2019, and I took a gap of 1 year, 2019 to 2020. I did not do any education. I took a gap because I was flying at that time. So for a year flied, and then COVID hit. Then I have to come back to my own city. I was flying in Delhi. That was my base. I used to work there at the airport and I used to fly. Then I had to come back, so I came back, and in 2020 I came back. And then so just because I had a gap of 1 year, then I did admission again. 2020 I did admission again, and in 2022 my bachelor's got completed just because I had a gap of 1 year. So in 20 when I was complete after completing my bachelor's in 2022, I decided that I want to go abroad. And one more thing, sorry, I just missed it. So when I came back in 2020, just to enhance my communication skill, and just to improve my English, I worked in Amazon as in customer service, in the customer service department for 2 years. Around 1.5 and 2 years I worked over there. From 2020 to 2022 I worked over there. Simultaneously I was also completing my education. And as I've already informed you, I didn't used to go to college and attend it, so it was not a big deal for me to work. Okay, so I worked for 2 years over there. And so in 2022 I completed my bachelor's, and I always wanted to go abroad for my further studies. So um in my mind I did not had any specific country, but I always wanted to go to affordable country, just because it's not like it's like I did not wanted to waste too much of money. So US, UK, Canada, Australia, it was not in my mind at all. I always wanted to go to any certain European countries. So I decided कि मैं इटली का ट्राई करती हूँ, बिकॉज इटली काफ़ी व्लॉग्स देखे थे, इन्फ्लुएंस। तो बहुत व्लॉग्स देखे थे। इट वाज़ अफोर्डेबल एंड वहाँ पे पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ थी। दे डिडन्ट मतलब वो चार्ज नहीं करते थे। So I tried applying for Italy. In 2022, I did not got my degree. मुझे तब तक डिग्री नहीं मिला था, बट वो प्रोविजन डिग्री होता है। आप डिग्री के इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हो उसके जगह पे, अगर आपको आपका डिग्री नहीं मिला है। इटली का प्रोसेस थोड़ा अलग होता है। सो आई अप्लाइड फॉर इटली एंड almost I from 2022, 2023 and 2024 I wasted my 2 years. My visa got rejected twice. That's a different story of Italy because Italy is little bit tough to crack. I got admitted into a public university. I got scholarship, but still it was little difficult and the agent from where जहाँ से मैं अपना फाइल लगवा रही थी they were fraud as well. So then कुछ बना नहीं, then I got rejected. But the best thing which I did, I always continued my studies. मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं था कि if I am going abroad, I'll not continue my studies because I don't know. Maybe it will take a year, it will take 2 years. I don't know how much time it is going to take. So what I did in 2022, after completing my bachelor's, I did MBA. While applying, I did MBA, and in 2022 at the same time I wanted to switch a company. I was working for Amazon, then I switched and I worked for one US company. It's a consulting firm that I started working as in, not as an HR but as in talent concierge. So it comes under HR ka field, kind of. So it comes under HR ka field, but you also get knowledge about pay, sleep, and everything. So it's a different part. I'll also make video on that, maybe a brief video about it. क्योंकि मुझे ये वीडियो भी थोड़ा छोटा बनाना है, तो मैं उसके बारे में बाद में बात करूँगी। तो 2022 में बैचलर्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद आई गॉट एडमिटेड इनटू MBA कॉलेज एंड आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एज एन HR। MBA मेरा डिस्टेंस लर्निंग था। मैंने NMIMS से MBA किया है, नरसिम्हौजी। इट्स अ यूनिवर्सिटी इन मुंबई। डिस्टेंस लर्निंग होता है। एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज वर्किंग ऑल्सो वर्किंग एज इन द टैलेंट कॉन्सियाज स्टाफ। इट्स काइंड ऑफ HR का फील्ड। आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड वर्किंग देयर। थैंक गॉड आई डिड दैट बिकॉज मेरा इटली में 2 साल वेस्ट हुआ, और 2 साल में जब तक मेरा वीज़ा नहीं आया बट मेरा MBA का डिग्री आ गया था। सो इट्स लाइक दैट। So it's good. You should always have a backup plan in your mind. Don't just be dependent on one thing कि अरे मेरा ये तो हो ही जाएगा, हो ही जाएगा, हो ही जाएगा। नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता है। You don't have to be dependent on anything. Okay. Okay. तो फिर उसके बाद में in 2024, after getting rejection for 2 times from Italy, I decided to apply in Germany क्योंकि जब जर्मनी का बहुत ज़्यादा हाइप था। तो unfortunately I scored 63 or 61% in my bachelor's, so public university was little bit difficult for me. So I got admitted into, तो फिर मैंने अपना एडमिशन एक प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में किया in Berlin. BSBI, I know you guys might know about that. Now the thing which has been happened, I wanted to take HR because I worked in the field of HR, right, for 3 years. I had experience of that, and so I had a bachelor's. So I'll tell you one thing: if you have experience, you don't need to do your bachelor's in the same field. Like suppose अगर मुझे HR करना है पर मैंने bachelor's किसी और इसमें किया, मैंने bachelor's तो साइंस में किया था, that doesn't matter. मैटर नहीं करता। अगर आपके पास वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है ना 2 साल का या 1 साल का, इट्स फाइन। यू कैन चेंज योर कोर्स। ओके। एंड सेकेंड थिंग, suppose if you don't have experience, so then you can take the same field, but it's okay to change your field. That's not a problem. So BSBI, they rejected my application for HR course. They said no, I scored less in my IELTS. मेरा IELTS में आई थिंक 6.5 या 6 कुछ था। आई थिंक 6 आई स्कोर्ड 6, नो 6.5, but I scored 6.5 in IELTS. But उन लोगों को रीडिंग में मुझे मैंने कुछ इन आई थिंक रीडिंग या रीडिंग, आई वाज़ वेरी बैड एट रीडिंग। तो मुझे रीडिंग में 5 कुछ मिला था और उनका क्राइटेरिया था 5.5 फॉर एचआर आइल्स का। तो दे वर लाइक नो वी कैन नॉट डू दैट, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन, यू हैव टू टेक सम अदर कोर्स और एल्स यू माइट have to look for some other university. And then I tried for UE and everything, but they were like UE GISMA, उनका 2 साल का कोर्स था and I never wanted to go for that, to be honest. I never wanted to do 2 years of course because I have already done my masters from India and I already do have experience. So what do I do? Then I started looking for each and every course on the BSBI portal and I started checking ये इसमें क्या मैच कर रहा है, इसमें मतलब मुझे इसके बारे में आता है क्योंकि व्हेन यू वर्क एज एन एचआर, तो you also know little bit about account section, you also know little bit about business section, you also know little bit about HR, of course. तो उसमें सब कुछ कवर हो जाता है। तो I was working as a talent concierge, so I used to be in touch with the clients which we had, like the one who were working for us. तो उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें ना कवर्ड होती है। तो what I did, I applied for finance, masters in finance. I applied for the finance and investment, and I mentioned everything what I know about it. मुझे क्या क्या आता है अकाउंट्स में ना, because when you change your field it's little bit difficult for you to convince them, like it's little bit difficult for you. तो BSBI से लेटर मिलना इज़ वेरी इजी, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, यू कैन गेट एडमिटेड वेरी इजीली। किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी से एडमिशन लेटर मिलना इज़ नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट, यू गेट एडमिशन लेटर वेरी इजीली। What is the difficult part? To convince embassy to give you a visa. Why are you changing your course? You studied science for 12 or 13 years and now you're changing your course. Why do you do that? If you are changing your course, do you have any experience? If no, then why you are changing your course? Then course. It means that you are going only there to earn money और जस्ट टू ट्रैवल, या फिर सिर्फ ऐसे ही घूमने फिरने के लिए जा रहे हो, ये उनके दिमाग में आता है। यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन देम। तो मैंने जो एसओपी था ना, एम्बेसी के लिए जो मैंने एसओपी बनाया, वो मैंने ना उसमें मतलब फालतू की चीज़ें नहीं लिखी कि मेरा ये ड्रीम है, नहीं, मैंने ये सब नहीं लिखा। मैंने उसमें प्रॉपर्ली एक्सप्लेन किया कि ये बात है, इसीलिए मुझे ये कोर्स लेना है, और ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे इसके बारे में नहीं आता है, और मेरे पास में मुझे 1 साल का टाइम था, क्योंकि मुझे पूरा 1 साल लगा ये वाले प्रोसेस में भी, 2024 से 2025। तो मैंने 1 साल में लिटरली अकाउंट्स के बारे में पढ़ा है कि अगर मैं वहाँ जाती हूँ, मुझे पूछते हैं कि ये क्या है, तो मुझे आना चाहिए। तो मैंने सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी है। अ, तो मैंने उसमें सारा कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया, और जब मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ, मुझे चांस ही नहीं मिला कुछ एक्सप्लेन करने का। तो हु विल एक्सप्लेन फॉर मी? माय एसओपी इज़ गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन फॉर मी, राइट? So yeah, that was the story. That's how I, so just because they did not give me a chance to do HR in masters, and I did not wanted to waste my more money, to be honest, and I did not wanted to go for 2 years or 2.5 years of course in some other university or some other city. I always had BSBI in my mind, so that is the reason why I had to change my course from HR to finance. And yeah, it's good. Finance is it's very exciting and it's very interesting to know new things, about everything. And now I think I made a good choice. So that was all about my education, whatever I did till now. Now I'm 25 and I'm doing my double masters in finance. So yeah, it's good. It's interesting, and in coming August I'm going to complete my double masters, and then probably I'm planning to do PhD, and let's see how it's going to work. But yeah, that would be all till now, and I hope you liked the story. And if you have any questions or anything, to be honest, I'm new on YouTube, and I don't know how to use it. Okay, so if you need anything, I'll also mention my Instagram. You can ping me on Instagram, and it's not like I don't reply. I reply to each and every DM which I get. बट ओनली वो ऐसे नहीं कि फालतू के मैसेज नहीं, उसको रिप्लाई नहीं करती हूँ, बट जो इन्फॉर्मेटिव अगर मुझे लगता है कि मुझे हेल्प करनी चाहिए मैं करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ पिंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू। एंड आई नो दिस वीडियो इज़ लिटिल बिट थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया है ये, तो बट प्लीज़ देखना, इट्स वेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव। एंड थैंक यू, बाय बाय, सी यू, एंड प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं तो या बाय।